Hello, and welcome to a new semester here at Napa Valley College. I'm your instructor for this semester, Sherry Lose, and I'm sending this video to give you an overview of how your class will operate, even if the exact class I'm demoing isn't yours or even your semester. All of our course materials and online interactions are going to take place in the Canvas platform. So let's go ahead and head there now. If you're accessing Canvas for the first time, perhaps the best place to start is from the Napa Valley College home page. You're going to open the drop-down menu here for Student Services and Resources, and then over on the right-hand side, you'll see this login for Canvas. If you haven't already logged in to any of your programs on campus, to email, to self-service, anything like that, then instead of having your Canvas open like mine just did, you will first have to log in. But once you've done your logging in, you should come to your dashboard. The first thing that I want to encourage you to do is have your dashboard set up like this. This is called Card View. To be successful in your class with me, you're going to need to enter your class. Don't work from the calendar. Don't work from the to-do list. For my class, those things will just not work out. You'll end up missing important information. If you're not seeing this view the way I am, you can change it up here with these three dots, click to open. If perhaps you're in list view, then you're seeing your dashboard like this. Again, it's just not going to work out for my class. So please be sure that you are in Card View. In Card View, you will go ahead and click on your course to enter it, and you will enter to our home page. Alternately, when you pop into Canvas, you could click on this courses navigation button and choose your course from the list here. From this homepage, you've got access to everything there is that I want to show you. Always check up above here for the latest announcements. By the time you get into your Canvas class here, the video you're viewing right now will be your first announcement up here, and there could be others throughout the semester. Once you scroll down, you will see steps that you want to take for the very start of your semester. You know, I do want to say your screen will look a little bit different from mine. Everywhere here there's an I with a line through it, means that actually that is not visible in the student view. So if you're wondering when you go in why you have so many fewer things over here on the left, that's just because my instructor view shows more than yours does. So I've laid out here for you what you want to do to start your class. To do some exploring, this button, your class, your college, will give you lots of important information. I like to right click and then open it in a new tab or a new window so I can come back to where I am. You'll see from here information about me, navigating Canvas. If you need a campus map to get to a physical college campus, you can check that out. NVC Safe is a really important app to have for your safety on campus. Information, well, you can see here all of the information available to you here. So I'll let you click through and check that out. Your syllabus will be the answer to most of your questions. Again, let me open that in a new tab for us. The entire syllabus is here. You would click to either download or print it. If you have some quick questions anytime throughout the semester, You can come here, click to open each of these drop-down menus, drop dates, those are so important, exam dates, late work, what late work can you do, how do you go about it? So all of the answers to those sorts of questions are here at your fingertips. You can, of course, always send me a message using your inbox link over here, but then you've got to wait for your answer. Checking here in this section will get you a much quicker answer to your question. If you're having any technical issues with self-service, which is the program, the platform you use to register and drop classes, or with this platform, Canvas itself, you can click here to connect with the Napa Valley College Welcome Center. That reminds me that this website, napavalley.instructure.com, you should have this bookmarked on your computer. It is not hosted by the college. It is not tied to the college servers. So as long as you have this page bookmarked, you can come here and get into Canvas even if there's a problem with the campus computers. If there's a server outage or a power outage or whatever, you'll still be able to get into your course here. OLI is the text and homework resource that we're going to be using this semester. You can always click here to link to there. I'm going to show you in a minute, though, how you're going to get enrolled in there the first time. StatCrunch is the web-based data analysis program that we're going to be using. Both of these programs are very inexpensive. OLI is a cost of $20 for the semester, and everyone does have a free 2-week trial to get you in and working. And then StatCrunch access is $15 for the semester. So combined together, $35 for the semester is the entire financial commitment that you will need to make. Whenever you're stuck, information here on how to connect with me, your instructor, how to connect with a tutor in the Math Success Center, and a board here for you to connect with your fellow classmates. Everything on here is anonymous. You can go ahead and say who you are or not. That space is for you. After you've explored everything, here is where you're going to be going to get started and really to work through your course. You can see that there are also navigation buttons here on the left, and right now we're on the home page. When I click here, then you can see that we're now on modules. So you could also click modules in these side navigation buttons to get here. Our course is laid out week by week and walks you through everything that you need to do and the due date for that assignment, so that you can see here the very first day of our semester, Monday, January 22nd, you've got a discussion board. Again, I'm going to right click, open it in a new tab. So in this discussion board, you are going to give me three things: your name, your previous experience with statistics, and some fun fact just to, identify that you're here and that you're ready to work in our class. And then you've got to get going on statistics learning. Here is everything you know about getting enrolled in OLI. You do not need a course key, but the only way to get there to OLI, to the online textbook, is through the links here in Canvas. You cannot get to OLI from any outside sources. You must go in through Canvas. And again, here you've got your free trial until Monday, February 5th. You will lose access after that day, and so you must have paid to get access beginning Tuesday, February 6th. And then you've got learning to do. The first assignments really don't have anything to do with statistics. It's getting you familiar with our OLI coursework. So every time we have coursework in those modules, it's laid out like this as a learning path and homework set. So you're told what to do in your learning path. In this case, well, and always view the learning outcomes. Future, there will be learning videos, and then you take a look at the homework you need to do. So in this case, you're going through these 3 modules, which is just a pre-course survey, looking through information on learning strategies and how OLI will work, and then taking a look at this big picture. Let me close some of these tabs just so I have left open, and let me go ahead and take a look at a more involved learning path. So OLI Mod 4 is the first module you have for learning statistics, okay? So the first thing you want to do is download this mod guide, download or print. So this is an outline of my lecture. It's going to give you a basis for taking notes, so you could print it and write on it by hand, or if you, this is the PDF version, if you wanted to get the Word version, then you could write it on your computer. So you're going to take notes as you watch my video. So the videos are here. Again, I would right click that and open that video here in another window. You can't click this play button. You have to click this one down here, and then your video will start. And you can, let me just pause that, but you can see that I've got that guide right here. So it really is going to guide my lecture and just walk you through everything you need to know. Then once you've taken all your notes and watched all your videos, you will do your homework. So you need to complete the interactive exercises in OLI. So I'm sure this homework looks a bit different from anything you've ever done before. I'm going to go ahead and right click to open. Oh dear, page not found. Okay, I will get that link working for you. I'm going to go ahead and take myself. I can get to OLI differently from you. You'll just click that link and everything will work fine. When you get yourself in, you're only going to have one course. So it will look a bit different from this. You will have a button. So across the top, once you get in, you'll see this syllabus, not roster and grade. Well, you'll see gradebook. If you click on syllabus, you will get this. So this is, that table of contents for our text. Checkpoint is like the exercises at the end of a module, at the end of a section. And you can see that once you get down here to this portion of your homework, you will do that checkpoint. But before that, part of your homework, click here for the module, is doing interactive exercises throughout the section. So this is what your online text looks like. Again, my videos are going to include a lot of these interactive examples. Every time you come to a learn by doing, you need to submit your answer. Did I get this questions? Let me just pick one. Oh, that is incorrect. And so then you want to repeat that exercise until you understand what you're doing and you can get that correct. And all of this interaction is recorded by OLI and will be part of your participation grade in class. So you do need to do all of this interactive exercise to get full participation credit. Once you get to the end of the module, let me get to the end. Then you will see the checkpoint. So you can get to the checkpoint from that first syllabus page we looked at, or just naturally once you get to the end of the module, you can get to the checkpoint. Click here, and remember back here, I tell you not only that it's the Mod 4 checkpoint, but what the title is and what page it's on, so you can just always be sure. Here it is, the checkpoint. It's called Types of Statistical Studies on page 17, to be sure that you're doing the right thing. These checkpoints, you'll click here to start. They are graded for correctness, and you generally have 4 attempts at each one. So after you get your results, you can take a look. They are usually multiple choice, but do not pick randomly. Your exam will not be multiple choice, and understanding all of this information will be incredibly important for being successful on our exams. I chose one answer randomly and got a 0, just to show you what it would look like. You have to click to submit, you then get your score, and then you can click to review your attempt and give it another try. So that is what your learning path will look like for each module. Once you get here midway through week 2 to mod 7, there'll actually be one more step, and that is you need to go to OLI, and you're going to do some learning without the videos first. It's really just looking in eye, getting some foundational knowledge, and maybe writing down some definitions before you come to the learning videos. And the guide will instruct you on what you need to do before the videos and what you can wait for. Here in Mod 7, we're using the StatCrunch instruction sheets with the StatCrunch program. So be sure that you've purchased that program before you get to Mod 7. Using the program will be demonstrated in the videos in great detail, but you can also find written instructions to keep handy here. I know that this has probably seemed like a lot, but remember that all you need to do is just one step at a time. Everything is laid out. Assignments are due Tuesdays and Fridays, but as you can see, they are open many weeks in advance. Right now, everything is open through mid-February. That's when our first exam is. And I do that because I understand that everybody's life is different. And so how you want to spread out this material to make it work in your schedule, that's up to you. But you do need to get the work done by these due dates. Certainly, you should be working on it sooner. You've got a lot more than one day's work to do for each of these due dates. Okay, well, anytime you need to reach out to me, from the home page here, you can get information on how to do that. So connecting through Canvas inbox is here. Also, if you're on campus, perhaps I have some drop-in times at the Math Center. This is for spring 24, maybe your class or not. So check your information. Also, you can book appointments with me over Zoom. There's instructions here for how to book those appointments, and then a link to connect, and all of that happens through Starfish. So I look forward to a successful semester. I look forward to interacting with you and seeing all of the statistics, knowledge that you can demonstrate. Have a wonderful semester.